6 seed Northview hosting the 12 seed Bowling Green. Not wasting any time, 2.5 minutes in, through ball for Tony Sajasi. Beats the keeper near post with the left foot. 7 minutes later, Sajasi streaking down the sideline again to the near post. Sajasi with a brace less than 10 minutes in. 11 to play in the half. Logan Crandall with a touch to Adam Pyle. Off the right foot sends it just over the outstretched hands of the keeper. Bobcats would get on the board in the second half courtesy of a Grant Sonner goal, but it is Northview who is moving on with a 4-1 win.
That's what we always want to do in every game, and I just got the opportunity, so I took the chances, and they fell through for me. I got to give it up to my team. They gave me the ball, so I had to pay them back for it. It was a wake-up call for sure. We can't give any team anything. You always got to be locked in and ready to go.
Well, two who are always locked in and ready to go, Greg Franke and Bernie Hunterbrinker.
When Bowling Green and Northview played earlier in the season, Bowling Green played a solid game, but Northview scored twice early and it accounted for a 3-1 win. Very much a similar thing here today, as Tony Sajasi scored twice very early in the game, put Bowling Green on their heels, and Northview dominated the first half, and it's a good thing for them because Bowling Green came back really hard in the second half.
You're right. BG came out ready to play in that second half. Unfortunately, the first half, they came out flat, and that's when Northview came out extraordinarily fast, and it was Sajasi leading the way.
I think that's probably, if you're going to say a difference, and there were quite a few differences, probably experience-wise, favoring Northview here, but to have a striker like Sajasi, and he finished off the first one beautifully and got a second one from a very hard angle that caught the goalie by surprise, and a sniper like that definitely makes a difference.
Yeah, so, Northview is a very high IQ soccer team. They play well, they have good control, but they can play over the top very fast too, so they take advantage of whatever you're giving them. I think it's going to be they're going to have a challenge with Southview coming up next.
Yeah, well, they lost to Southview the last time they played, but Coach was really saying, we got to be on point. We got to come out and give them our very best game, and I think Northview believes that they can really have a good chance in that return matchup in the playoffs. We'll see what happens. But for tonight, they defeat Bowling Green by a final score of 4-1.